Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Watch out. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up. Oh, fuck. Put it out.
Hey, hands up.
Put it out.
Get your hands up now.
Put it out.
Get your hands up.
Hey, Tactical here. We're on Wildwood with the part-time Randall. 7, X-ray door stand 512. Stoney Ramirez is driver's seat.
Hey.
Hey, stop!
What's your phone? 2781 pop.
Count.
Turn it off! Turn it off! Hey, watch the house. Coming around. Stop! Keep your hands up. All right, hey, relax. Come back here, Dino. Come back here. Hey, stay off the air. Tech 2, we have one down in the car. We have a couple people in the house. Stay right there.
Who is that?
Stay off the air. Tech 2, all officers are code 4. And we're just going to wait for some other units before we go from here. Tech 2 negative. Wildwood and Kelly. It's 22781 Wildwood. Ma'am, you need to stop. Stay right there. Sit down. Sit down on the ground and stay there. And Tech 2, once we get a few more here, we have no movement in the car. We'll get them out, and I know we got fire on the way. I just need you to stay calm right there. And Tech 2, you can have everybody just slow their roll to here. Just everybody get here safe. We are code 4. Just waiting for more to go hands on.
Is it okay to come outside?
You stay right there in the house, okay?
Is everybody okay?
Just stay right there. We'll deal with it in a second.
Is it okay?
I just need you to watch the house. Oh shit, sorry dude. This side, right here. Dude, it looked like he was reaching for a fucking gun, bro. Huh?
We're still.
You good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yes. Good.
He's in the car here, so just watch the house. We don't know who's in the house, okay? So we got one right over here. The strap's right here. You guys keep an eye on the house. As soon as we get a couple more, we'll take care of who's in the car.
That car's going to be in drive too.
Yeah, car's in drive. We got one down in the car, no movement. We have at least 2 people in the house who are yelling out at us. They're semi-cooperative, so we just need to get him taken care of in a second. He's supposed to be armed, so we don't know. Go ahead, Faye. Yes. Turn. Turn. Come this side, guys. This side.
I know, I'm just protecting the sergeant right now.
Okay. Brian.
I forget out.
Brian, come this side. Brian. Nick's got him. We need people to watch the house so we can get him out of the car.
Okay, my car to back?
Yes. Come back. Come back. Get that shield up. You're going to shield the house now.
Going to the house.
All right.
Ready?
Ready? Go ahead.
Yep. I'm going to go in front of the car.
Do not move.
Police.
Don't move.
Back up.
Police department.
Locked.
That's right. I'll break it. I got it. Watching. We don't.
Hey, watch the house. Coming around.
Got it.
781 Wildwood.
Stop. Don't move. Stay there. All right. Hey, relax.
Come back here, Dino. Come back here.
All right.
Hey, stay off the air.